Hello everyone, welcome back to Roz's Library. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most exciting and interesting topics in the field of technology, quantum computing. In this video, I'll explain what quantum computing is, how it works, and its potential applications. So, let's get started. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a new way of performing calculations and solving complex problems using quantum mechanics. Traditional computing is based on binary digits, 0 and 1, which are used to represent data. Quantum computing, on the other hand, uses quantum bits or qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 at the same time, and this property is known as superposition. How quantum computing works. Quantum computing involves manipulating and measuring the state of qubits to perform complex calculations. This is done using quantum gates and circuits, which are similar to traditional logic gates used in digital circuits. The difference is that quantum gates and circuits operate on qubits, which can be in multiple states at the same time. Potential applications of quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize several industries and solve complex problems that traditional computers cannot solve. Here are a few examples of potential applications of quantum computing. Drug discovery and development. Quantum computing can perform simulations and calculations that can help in discovering new drugs and developing them faster. Financial modeling. Quantum computing can help in predicting and analyzing financial data more accurately, which can lead to better investments and trading decisions. Encryption and cybersecurity. Quantum computing can break traditional encryption methods, but it can also create new ones that are more secure. This can lead to stronger cybersecurity against hacking and data breaches. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Quantum computing can speed up the training and development of machine learning algorithms, which can lead to smarter AI and predictive models. To sum up, quantum computing is a fascinating and promising field that has the potential to solve some of the most complex problems in the world. As we continue to develop and improve this technology, we will witness a revolution in computing and usher in a new era of scientific discovery and technological progress. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology and science. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.